DMG is a kind of protein which actually improves the immunity.
We usually use for cats and small dogs. Right. Especially the liquid, right? They are very effective against viruses.
When treat DMG is a bit more subjective because it's an immune booster. They actually help to as an antioxidant and use an antibody as well. But the other thing is actually we do recommend a lot of young patients to be on this product.
So basically, in most of the cases, like there is immunosuppress, especially like flu for cats, 𝗕𝗲𝘗𝗶, FIV.
Feline leukemia, feline ache, feline infectious anemia. For dogs, there is more towards like 𝗕𝗲𝘁𝗿, that's distemper, we use for hours. It's quite a versatile product that we can actually use it small dogs and cats.
Those we see a remarkable result where they improve the well-being of the animal. That varies.
Depends on the severity of the situation.
Like lately, I have a case that very small, like 3 weeks old kitten with quite a bad flu. Owner reluctant to put on any medication. Then I convinced them to put on DMG and lysine, and the result is good.
I would say 50 to 70% of the time they respond to it.
So far, I don't see any specific side effect in particular.
No side effects for opportunity. We don't see any. Not really though.
Yeah, it's very easy.
We just drop into the mouth.
Yeah, just drop it in, that's it.
Most of the cat would not reject it.
The dosing is normally 0.5. The liquid put in a syringe and then syringe in the mouth or add in the food. Literally no problem at all. Yeah, definitely, especially like DMG or lysine. When they have flu, they will come back for the lysine and DMG.
Actually, for DMG, most clients that come back for it, you'll be surprised at their purchase volume. They can buy in dozens. It's not a small bottle, it's a big bottle. What does that mean? They are feeding to a lot of neonates, these newborn babies, to boost their immune, to improve their performance.
If let's say completed, they will come back and then they'll purchase themselves.
It's actually a very fast moving product.